If you want to be a smooth Excel user, then you have to be excellent with basic spreadsheet operations. All right? Then you must also know how to write formulas in Excel using Excel functions. You need to learn how to analyze data, how to summarize data using Excel pivot tables. You want to learn how to create and visualize your data using charts in Excel. Then you also want to learn how to clean and prepare data using Power Query and do some more advanced data analysis using Power Pivot. Then you also want to learn how to automate things using macros in Excel. Now, if you have noticed, you would have seen that the slide basically has this bullet points, decrease in size as we go from the very first bullet point up to the last bullet point. Now, this is because for you to start with a very solid foundation in Excel, you have to be strong on the first 3 bullet points and then technically the 4th one, right? So Power Query and Power Pivot together with macros are excellent additions to have and to add to your knowledge of the first 4 bullet points.